throttle cable here is next. Should be pretty easy to disconnect. Usually just unscrew and then lift it. I noticed this is loose, so that probably wasn't working too good for the throttle. But yeah, usually you just disconnect this part and then you can rotate this forward and the cable should just pop out the side. Alright, I just disconnected the cable from here. It's tucked up underneath here. I said it was a throttle cable. It is clearly not, because this is the throttle right here. That was the choke cable. Should look a little bit more closely, I guess, next time. But either way, I don't know what this is. Seems to have come from somewhere down here. But yeah, I'll figure that out later. This throttle linkage, I'm not sure how it comes apart yet. Like, I'm sure you can just pop these guys off. I'm hesitant to do it just because they look like they'd be really brittle old plastic. But I'm not sure how you get this rod apart that goes right into here. Like, can you just slide that out? Maybe. Maybe. Looks like, yeah, it moves. I don't know if there's a retaining ring or something down in here. I can't quite see. I'll mess with it and then I'll update the video. Alright, I noticed that there's a little clip right here. I'm going to pop it all the way off. That should allow me to pull this arm off. There might be another one down in here. I'm having trouble getting a look at it, but this will be the last piece connecting that. Alright, that was it. This clip here was on top of, not this bar, but the one underneath it. It's hard to get a good view. Pulled it out with some nail nose, and then look, the bar lifts out. Same thing on this other one, which I didn't actually need to do maybe. But this is detached. I'm trying to figure out how the heck to get it out of the way, because I wouldn't want to break it. Oh, look at that. I can lift it completely out of the way now. Looks like I could unscrew it from down there if I wanted to. I wonder if you can just pop these things off. I don't know. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it until I figure out if I can just buy new ones or not. But, I mean, that's out of the way anyway. I just have to put it on the firewall.